Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So recently on the internet, more exactly on YouTube, I see a lot of videos about some oil heaters or oil burners which they run on some alternative fuels. And one really popular fuel is some vegetable oil. So this one you will find in almost any kitchen. And yeah, this kind of oil heater or oil burners are really popular because they are really easy to make and almost all the materials you will already find in your home. And for this reason I have some interest to make my own oil burner which runs on this vegetable oil. But before I will make this video, I will try to make some test. And this test will be about fire starter for the vegetable oil. Because igniting some vegetable oil can be sometimes really difficult, and for this reason I was thinking at least to try to use some fuels, or better to say some fire starter for this vegetable oil. So first I will show you, just for example, this cup I will fill with this vegetable oil. So for this experiment I don't use any wick. I will try to burn like this. And yeah, please know that this will be, this is some experimentation because it's my first time to play with these oil heaters which runs on this vegetable oil. And I already tried to ignite this vegetable oil already, and it's needed really long time that the oil will heat up, and then when the oil is heated, the oil will also ignite. And you can see no luck. With this one, which is only cup filled with vegetable oil. And now I will fill also this cup almost to the end, a little bit more, okay, like so. And on the top I will put my fire starter, and my fire starter will be some isopropanol alcohol. And the alcohol, because we have lower density, the alcohol will be on the top of the oil. So oil is always on the top of the water, and the alcohol will always be on the top of the oil. So I will switch my camera angle like so. Okay, here this section on the bottom is this cup filled with this vegetable oil, and here on the top I have a little bit of alcohol. And this alcohol will ignite, at least is the plan, that this burning alcohol will ignite also the oil. So now I will see if this burning alcohol will also ignite the oil which is below. Okay, the alcohol is burned down, and now I only left with this vegetable oil. And on the first try, the burning alcohol was not able to ignite the oil. For this reason, I will try one more time. Okay. Okay, the second try, and no, the alcohol is not able to ignite the oil. So for this reason, the oil need to be heated up. Okay, yeah, this was just the experiment. I learned the lesson. And now I will try to use some wick. Okay, here I have my wick. Oh, it's a little bit too much. Okay, but now if I use some wick, I was able to ignite the oil. And like I said before, I learned my lesson. This was just the test. If I can use some alcohol on the top of the oil, like a fire starter. But like you see, this don't work so easily. For this reason, I need to have some wick that I will get some nice burning of the oil. So guys, that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye.